Hey guys, it's Trippy, welcome to the video. Today myself and Connor are at Godrevy again. I feel like I'm there all the time recently, but it is for good reason. I've basically bought a GoPro Max, which is a 360 camera. I had one a couple of years ago, which is called the Insta360, and it's basically your standard kind of action camera, but you've got a lens on either side. So you do lose a little bit of quality because of, you just can't sort of record in 4K all over the place kind of thing and make it look nice. But because it is filming everywhere, you can't really miss one of your shots. So at the minute I'm kind of limited when me and Connor go out on the OneWheel, because I can either record like me on the OneWheel, him in front of me or behind me, or the scenery. Whereas with this new camera I can kind of film both, which is perfect, because when we're like flying down the coastline, I want to show a bit of the OneWheel for people who are interested in that, but also show like the area around it as well. Like for Godrevy, like the lighthouse is like a really good example. And it's just going to hopefully make the videos in the future more interesting, because I've struggled in the past where we've been walking along the coastline where even though the view is really nice, whether it's me editing it or you guys watching it, after about 30 or 45 seconds that view, you've kind of like seen it, and it's hard to keep that view interesting just because once you've seen the beach you've kind of seen it, if that makes sense. Whereas if we're on the OneWheel, I can sort of show the beach for a little bit, then show us, and vice versa, and yeah, just hopefully make the videos better. So there will still be the standard videos of us going around exploring the place, but I'm just loving the OneWheel at the minute. Every chance I get I want to be out on it and filming it. It's say YouTube's always been a hobby of mine, so it just kind of goes together really nicely. But yeah, enough rambling. Just built like a test session for the GoPro Max. Unfortunately, one thing I did notice straight away is the sound quality is pretty bad when it's windy. It was quite windy today, but you can't even hear us speaking, which on my other GoPro you can, so that's kind of a downer. But so I imagine this video is probably going to be pretty much music, but there's a couple of funny falls from Connor, and yeah, other than that I'll crack on. So hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the next one. Nearly went straight on back. I'm not even thinking about it. Oh, we should have gone there again now. Oh, fucking. I thought we were going to hit each other, then I shit myself. I just saw you in the corner of my eye coming towards me. Had a little minor heart attack for a second. Happened then? Honest, for about a fraction of a second, both my feet. How did you do that? That's what I thought. That's what I thought would happen. Attempt number 2. Oh, almost. Oh, nice. Yeah, it's pretty much, as long as the thing you wanted shot like that, if I wanted to get to the lighthouse, I'd be fucked. As long as it's, yeah. Oh, I thought you were doing the touch then. Oh.